wanted to say, did my first test ride with the Team Vegan kit. Here it is. This is the Team Vegan kit from hillkiller.com. Did my first test ride and just wanted to say this kit performed really well, didn't overheat. It is 88 degrees right now. Yeah, this is a large top with a XL bottom. I am 180 pounds, 5'8". Road fixed gear today. Usually I ride my road bike. Here's the Garmin. Hopefully that shows. So it's distance 20.5 miles. Temp right now is 92 degrees. Island of Oahu, Hawaii, and here's my Garmin 510 on my heater 725 fixed gear bike, and today I'm running 50-15 with the Durace track cog on the rear. Velocity is Velocity B43, made in Australia, and I sticker bombed out my frame. Meter 725. I believe this is the 2013 version, second version that came out, I believe. With the smoother welds, and there's the leader head badge, and this is my Team Vegan kit. I like it a lot. As I said in the unboxing video, the leg bands don't have any rubber on them, neither do the armbands. And it is the club fit. Today, shoe wise, what am I using for shoes? I got the Carbon Sub-Zero shoe. Let me bring my camera down to the shoe. Here is the shoe with the mountain bike cleat and the carbon bottom. Yep, so that's pretty much it for the review. I highly recommend this Team Vegan kit from hillkiller.com. Awesome customer service, and digging the retro look with the green a lot. And there's my bottle cages. Don't know what kind of bottle cage that is. Some kind of triathlon bottle cage that a friend gave to me. Jaren, if you're watching this, thank you for the bottle cage. It's freaking amazing. Fuji FC 330 monocog carbon fork, and China carbon handlebar, riser bar right there, Garmin 510, some kind of Pro Max front brake with a Tektro front brake, mountain bike style, and got the Specialized Roman Evo comp gel in the, I believe it's the 155 width, and all city track hub with the flip flop, and mountain bike SPD Shimano pedals, SRAM Force GXP bottom bracket, SRAM Force GXP carbon crank, and some kind of made in France Alizé track 50 tooth made by Specialties. Fits the BCD 170 mm length crank arms and a Team Vision Team 30 front wheel, and this is a size 51, I believe. Yep. And Specialized, this is a Specialized take off my tarmac seat post. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching my review of my post Sunday morning coffee jam ride, and ride aloha. Peace.